want it all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it now. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it now. To find the future. Get around. Bon dia, soc Josep Zapater. Tinc 34 anys. Un dia vaig veure un anunci al Facebook d'una acadèmia d'anglès per a casos desesperats com el meu. Extreme Language Learning.
Josep Zapater. Your name in English would be Joseph Shoemaker. Shoemaker, the person who makes shoes. Zapater is the same. Let's start with irregular verbs, because I can see you have some problems with them.
No, please,
okay?
No.
Okay, so be, was,
sit, sat, take off your hat. Don't break, broken my lonely heart.
he's come, came, come. Don't go, went, gone. Don't leave, left me all alone.
I hate irregular verbs.
Hello? I'm sorry, I can't. Next week, I promise. Hello? Hello?
I can't open it. Do you hear those steps?
Shut! Boom!
What? But that's too much, Helios. That's impossible.
Look, there is someone else in here with me. My student. He has nothing to do with this. Please, let him go.
What the hell is going on?
Just
Thought, don't fight for and listen to the lesson that I teach. Taught, come, came, come. Don't go, went, gone. You don't